Hello, in front of me I've got ASUS ROG Spatha. In this video I'll show you how to adjust DPI manually. In the beginning, press and hold the DPI button for 3 seconds. Now, scroll the scroll wheel forwards or backwards to adjust the DPI. The LED color hue on your scroll wheel will differ depending on the DPI adjustment. The DPI increments at 50 DPI per scroll forwards and decrements at 50 DPI per scroll backwards. DPI ranges from 100 DPI to 19,000 DPI. Red color is 19,000 DPI. Blue color is 100 DPI. Confirm by pressing DPI button. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.